This is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Legend Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rabi Yaku, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to have 2 Telegram accounts with just one phone, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about Telegram tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to create 2 Telegram accounts in just one phone, a step-by-step tutorial. The very first thing you need to do is to click on open up your Telegram account. Having opened up your Telegram account, next thing you need to do is to click on this 3 slider. Then you have to click on here. Then click on add account. Then right here, click on country. Then choose your country from here. Then the next thing you want to do is to enter your phone number. Having entered your phone number, click on next. Then confirm is your number. Then enter your email address. Then click on next. Then have to exit from here and check the verification code from the mail. So verification code is here. So 881693. So let me go back to the Telegram. 881693. Boom, automatically filled. It's as simple as that. An account has been successfully created. So you can simply explore your account by clicking on here, this 3 stroke at the top. So it's as simple as that. So you have one account and this is the second account in Telegram. It's as simple as that. Now, so next thing we want to do here is to click on my profile. On getting to the profile, you can simply click on this pencil icon right here. You can rename the account. Once you rename it, just click on here to confirm the name. Then you can click on this icon right here to upload profile picture. So I'm going to use this image right here. So I'm going to select the picture. Then I will adjust. Then I'll click on this check mark to confirm the picture. Boom, it's as simple as that. So you can do proper setting as far as the account is concerned. So let's quickly go back right here. So right now we have first account and the second account. It's as simple as that. So this is how to have multiple Telegram accounts on a single phone, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.